Hi, this is a very brief portfolio and position chooser go through in the new ARMS workspaces. And we can see we have now only two controls, the loading of the hierarchies in customers, and secondary, when we have chosen a hierarchy, we get the tree in a condensed manner on the right-hand side or below, depending on which workspace. So what are the new features? Well, first of all, you can see that we can directly choose all positions in the tree by clicking on the header of that part of the tree, and we can expand the tree by clicking. And what is new is that we can get all the way down to position level, which means that we can choose portfolios separately, but we can also include or exclude single position on a single position level just by clicking. So expand and then include, exclude, which means that you can do your risk analysis on a single position level or portfolio minus one position or something like that. And if you have very big trees, then you have a search possibility. So we can clear our selection and then we can search for something. Let's search for bonds. So we search for the keyword bond, and then we can expand to see where we got a hit. So if you press expand once, it goes down to portfolio level. Press it twice, it goes all the way down to position level. And press it again, it goes back to portfolio level. And here we can see that we have gotten all bonds with the keyword bond in them. And if we want not bond futures, but only pure bonds, then we can choose the complete match. And then we get a narrow selection. If we want to deselect the old selection, because it has this in memory, we press deselect, and if we want to clear the search, we just press clear and we start over. And we can also choose to search for a portfolio name and then expand to that portfolio. When searching, the positions are not chosen automatically, so we have to choose them in order for them to be enabled. So what can we do more? Well, we can remove emptiness. So let's start over with an empty search, and then we can remove empty ones. So we don't want to see the empty ones. If you have a big tree with a lot of empty portfolios, that's convenient. And what can you do more? You can do a multiple search. So we can search for a portfolio called Magnus, and then just for bonds. And then this will take you to Magnus and only bonds. So you can have a dual keyword search or a triplet. It will use this as an AND operator. And what can we do more? Well, if we have a very big tree and we always go into the same part of this portfolio tree every time, we can do a pre-select. So let's go back to the load section. So if we put a customer and a hierarchy, we call this trading book, and we want to get to the OPEC portfolio every time, we can enter this here and save the workspace with these settings. And then every time we come in and we run this, it will not only find only the chosen portfolio, it will also pre-load the positions of this portfolio. And this means that you can shortcut the selection process by pre-saving your favorite portfolio and then getting this loaded directly when you come into the workspace every time, which is a nice feature. And this can also be done with the complete match, case insensitive, or if you only want the leave notes to show. Well, that's about it about the new portfolio selection tool with position level drill down. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact the ARM support or educational team. Thank you very much.